going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine. All right, let's get into it. So first, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows using my favorite Precisely My Brow pencil. I like to take this pomade. I'm going to use Anastasia's and use that to apply my brow. This shade is an ash brown. Y'all, I'm so exhausted today. I think it's because it's almost finals week and I can't keep up with school right now. Like any of you who are in high school, college, whatever, just know we all in this together. So let's just take a deep breath, right? Just take a deep breath and we'll be all fine by the end of the day. Now that I finished my brows, we're gonna move on to quickly. I'm gonna move on to concealing my face. So I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer on my face. And then we're gonna apply that on our eyes. Not on our eyes, just cover the dark spots. So here we go. Blend. To brighten up my under eyes, I'm going to be using Tarte's Shape Tape Contour Concealer, but in the shade medium this time. Then blend. And then we are going to move on to foundation. And today I'm going to be using NARS foundation in the shade Barcelona. So here is my face with foundation. We can now move on. So today I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty's Matchstick in Mocha. And then we're going to blend that out. And then I'm going to highlight certain parts of my face by using Fenty Beauty's Matchstick Trio and Bamboo. Then I'm going to highlight my nose bridge. Then I'm going to highlight my chin and the higher points of my cheek. Then we blend that out. Now I'm going to bronze my face using Hoola Benefit. Get right under my cheekbones, just like this. Okay, so we've got our bronzer on. Look. And now we are going to move on to the highlight. So to put it simply, I like to use the Killawatt highlighter in hustlababy. I'm going to use hustlababy on the higher points of my cheek. going to move on to my eyes, and I'm simply just going to make a winged look. So today I'm going to be using Physicians Formula in Ultra Black. But of course, got to curl them. I'm going to be using Lancome's Monsieur Big Mascara. It's a teeny tiny one, I know, but it's a really nice mascara. Though I cannot afford it, sample works too. Ballin' on a budget. This is a mascara, but if you feel like the look isn't complete, then of course you can be a little extra and add those lashes on, because girl, I know you may not feel complete. Sometimes I feel like I need to pop on some lashes, and some days I just feel like mascara will do, but whatever, you do you. Today I'm just gonna stick with a simple mascara look, but I do feel a little bare below, so I'm going to use L'Oreal's Telescopic Mascara, and this is going to be for my lower lashes. Anyway, so this is what it looks like so far. So I'm going to use NYX's lip liner in Natural and then line my lips. Let's go and do this, y'all. So after that, I'm going to top it off with Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb. And here you have it! We've got the finished face right here. Like and subscribe if you like this video. My social media handles are in the description below. And I hope to see you in my next video.